This isn't just your next toy hauler. It's your passport to freedom, ready to turn weekends into stories you'll tell for years. Meet the 2025 Man Cave FFB 1404 toy hauler. Built for those who crave open horizons, but refuse to compromise on comfort. From the first glance, you'll feel its purpose. It stands tall, its muscular stance, matched by that crisp aluminum siding and bold, purposeful lines. The upgraded flipped axles hint at trails less traveled, raising your perspective and your possibilities, so your rugged access roads are just an invitation instead of an obstacle. Under sunlight or starlight, the exterior's combination of upscale details and heavy-duty hardware simply feel right in any landscape. As we step inside, the sense of adventure does not fade. Warm mocha tones wash over the interior, lending a sophisticated calm that's instantly inviting. There's an ease here, a sense you can kick off your boots, sink back, and let the day slow down. Soft lighting glows across rich cabinetry, while the open layout maximizes both movement and conversation. It's a space designed for laughter with friends, quiet coffee mornings, and everything in between. And with clever touches, like the versatile dinette and dual queen beds, you'll discover flexibility you might not expect from a rugged hauler. Across the kitchen, every necessity feels elevated. The refrigerator is generous, ready for real groceries, not just snacks. And then there's the bathroom, a true surprise. Step into a residential shower you wouldn't expect to find off the grid, next to a dedicated linen closet that brings a little spa-like luxury to even the most remote destinations. It's these small moments of comfort, a hot shower, fluffy towels, space for your things, that make a long trip feel like a homecoming. But none of this matters if you're tied down. The Man Cave's advanced solar and high-capacity battery systems put power back into your hands, literally. Whether you're unplugged for the weekend or pushing the limits off-road, you can stay out longer, recharge and unwind without worrying what's left in the tank. Every system, from the plumbing to the generator, is built with quiet confidence, so the only thing you're thinking about is where you go next. Picture it. Saturday morning, you're parked at the edge of the desert, the ramp door folding down to reveal endless trails and blue skies. Maybe it's a day at the track, gear loaded, adrenaline high. Later, you gather inside, dine, laugh, shower away the grit, and sink into plush bedding as stars spill through the window. With the Man Cave, it's all possible. The adventure and the comfort come together in one rolling sanctuary. To truly experience freedom without compromise, stop by Dune Sport and ask for Casey. He can help you. The 2025 Man Cave FFB 1404 is where comfort meets the rugged trail. See it for yourself and discover just how far your weekends can take you.